Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, we will cook the Bisaya way chicken halang-halang, or in English, the hot spicy chicken. Guys, there are two ways how to cook the chicken halang-halang or the hot spicy chicken. First is with the coconut milk, and the second is without the coconut milk. So, but before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So, are you excited? Let's go!
A few moments later. A few moments later. A few moments later. A few moments later.
Ito na yung Bisaya way chicken halang-halang or in English, hot spicy chicken. Ayan. Oh, fully loaded ng mga sili. Look at that. Okay. So, now is the best time. Ang tikim-tikim. Tasting time. Okay. So, ayan. Guys, by the way, I'm using patatas dito ngayon kasi wala akong, so ang optional lang talaga itong potato or patatas kasi kailangan talaga natin ang green papaya. So dapat talaga sa halang-halang ay may kapayas tayo, sa Bisaya kapaya, so green papaya. So ganito, pero ito na lang for now, yung patatas lang muna ang nilagay ko, so substitute. So, and then of course, meron akong rice. And then tubig kasi it's hot spicy chicken. Okay, so alin na, samahan nyo na ko guys ha. Of course, sabaw muna. Ayan. Loy, wanna try? Ayan, which part? Ito. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, so as I said earlier, na there are two ways na pagluto ng Bisaya way halang-halang or the hot spicy chicken is with coconut milk or without coconut milk. So for now, nilagyan natin ng coconut milk. Okay. So ayan. Up. Kanina, so nakita ninyo during sa cooking natin, yung ibang sili ay hiniwa ko, tapos sinislice ko yung ibang sili. At tapos yung iba naman ay buo. Ayan, talaga. Nako, oh my God. Mapa-spicy challenge ka talaga dito, guys. Ito talaga yung Bisaya way chicken halang-halang or the hot spicy chicken. Ayan. So, by the way, shout out muna to all of our new subscribers. Thank you so much and welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to Mama Quatang's channel. And of course, to Joyce Kahukom, Annalyn Pateo from Veneto, Italy. Thank you so much. And sa lahat pang mga bago nating subscriber na hindi ko man na-mention, And welcome back also to Miss D. David. Ay, ang tagal. I missed you, Miss D. David. Again, thank you so much, guys. Overwhelming until now. Marami pang nag-greet, marami pang mga wishes for the first year anniversary of Mama Quatang channel. Thank you so much, guys. From the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat, daghang salamat. Until now, guys, ang dami pang nag-greet, ang dami pang mga wishes for the first year anniversary of Mama Quatang. Okay, that's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quatang channel. Halang-halang, Bisaya way, halang-halang, or the hot spicy chicken. Bye for now. Mwah. I love you guys. Bye. God bless you all. Bye. Mwah.